A lot of businesses find it hard to keep up with the trends of design and content for social media. They mostly have to spend a lot to hire graphic designers and animators to make simple posts for them. It's crazy. Well, I'm a graphic designer myself and would love to work with any business who wants to hire me. But hey, there's this secret application my co-designers never want you to know about, but I'm willing to take the chance. Before we get into that, I want to share with you why you still need a graphic designer for your brand and at what stage you need it. In starting a business, you strongly need a graphic designer to understand your idea and communicate that in a well-designed logo and some bit of brand guide in terms of font to use and colors. There are many online tools you can use to create your logo, but I recommend you hire a graphic designer for this process. As you get past that, you can now cross over to the application you're about to get into to start creating your own social media posts. The application I've been talking about earlier is Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. It's amazing and it has so many templates to work with. Today we'll go through and create some designs for my managed hosting company based in Ghana called Platinum. It is very easy to start designing with Canva. It doesn't require you to sign up before using the platform, but I encourage you to do so to keep history of all your previous designs in your account. Canva has an amazing freemium plan that you can use to create high quality posts without paying anything. They also have paid plans which we will dive deeper later in this video. We will begin by selecting a category that fits our purpose from this amazing collection of designs. Then we will select a great template to begin designing. A point to notice, you do not need graphic design skills to do this, but you need to have an idea of harmony and simple arrangement. Over here, we need to change a few things to get it looking good for our business. We begin by adding our logo. What that does is, Canva automatically generates brand colors from our logo to make customizing much easier for us. Now we can change the colors to fit our brand. The default message does not highlight what we want to talk about. This company sells managed web hosting, email, and domain services, so we will edit to fit that. There are some elements we may not need, so we have to take them out of the design to keep it simple, clean, and more focused on our brand. Now that we have a great social media post, we can download and get ready to share. Canva is a great application for non-designers in creating competitive designs. As I mentioned earlier, their freemium service is amazing, but having the Pro plan allows you to add premium stock photos and videos to your designs right from the Canva library. There are some templates and effects that can only be accessed on the Pro plan, and you can also add up to 5 team members. Canva's Pro plan is currently $12.99 per month. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe to support me. If you create any post with Canva, you can tag me on Instagram at @SafoInCancer. If you have questions, please leave a comment and I'll surely reply. See you in the next video.